Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to take screenshot in Telegram secret chat. First you have to make sure that you're logged in to your Telegram account and make sure that you're using the current version or the latest version of Telegram. So how to take screenshot in Telegram secret chat? The answer is you can take screenshot using the application alone. But we can find ways on how to take screenshot in Telegram secret chat. First, you can go to your file manager or files, locate Telegram, and you can see there the medias, the links, and other files that you want to take screenshot in your secret chat. The second thing is that you can simply go to your Google Play Store, download or install screen recorder applications. Here are the examples. You can click any of this and install. The reason why I want you to install this one is because you can screen record everything on your Telegram. Tap that secret shot and take a screenshot. Now exit the application, go to your file manager, tap videos. You can see there the result of your screen record. Tap the video and then screenshot the part that you wanted to screenshot, especially when you are on your secret chat. That's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.